Friendships that take place online are not as meaningful as those where people meet each other face to face. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Sample answer 1, Agreement. Many people believe that online friendship possesses less value than in-person friendship. I completely agree with this opinion and believe that real-life friendships are more meaningful because of physical presence and shared experience. Real-life friendships strengthen emotional connection through physical presence. It enables people to have real interactions and this, in turn, contributes to forming intimate relations and understanding. In-person friendships, in fact, allow individuals to hear the tone of voice, body language, and facial expressions, and therefore it helps to facilitate effective communication. Moreover, physical interactions, for example, high fives, hugs and shared activities can forge a strong affinity and sharpen a keen sense of emotional intimacy that may be quite difficult to replace entirely through virtual interactions. For example, nonverbal cues, like posture, paralanguage, and eye contact, can deepen the intimate connection. Physical friendship can also build lasting relationships due to shared experiences. In real-life friendships, people often have shared experiences in real-world settings. That is to say that they take pleasure trips, attend social events, or take part in recreational activities together. In consequence, these shared experiences create abiding memories and can impart a keen sense of camaraderie to the relationship. For instance, going on an excursion with friends can create affectionate moments that last a lifetime, enhancing the overall friendship experience. These aspects are the inherent value contributing to the quality of friendship, and virtual friendships completely lack these features. To conclude, I believe that true friendship can only be built on physical presence and shared experience that cannot take place in virtual friendship. It is therefore real-life friendship proves to be more meaningful. Model answer 2, Disagreement. Many assert that online friendships lack depth and authenticity and could be superficial while in-person connections are real friendships. I disagree with this opinion as I believe that the extent to which online friendships are meaningful depends on various factors, and they can indeed hold significant value in many people's lives. The notion that online friendships lack meaning overlooks the many ways in which virtual connections can enrich people's lives. In today's digital age, advancements in technology have made it easier than ever to connect with others from diverse backgrounds and geographic locations. Online platforms offer a space for individuals to share their thoughts, experiences, and interests, fostering a sense of belonging and community. For example, imagine a person who struggles with a rare medical condition that is not widely understood by their immediate social circle. Through online forums and support groups, they can connect with individuals who share similar experiences, providing them with invaluable emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of solidarity. These virtual connections enable them to feel less isolated and better equipped to cope with the challenges they face. Moreover, the absence of physical proximity can sometimes facilitate more open and honest communication, as individuals may feel less inhibited by social norms or expectations. The virtual nature of online friendships allows individuals to connect with like-minded people across vast distances, transcending geographical barriers and expanding their social networks. For instance, people may feel more comfortable discussing personal struggles or seeking support from online friends who share similar experiences no matter their geographical location. In conclusion, while face-to-face interactions offer unique benefits, online friendships can be just as meaningful and fulfilling for many individuals. Ultimately, the depth and significance of a friendship depend on the quality of the connection, shared values, and mutual respect, rather than the mode of communication or physical proximity.